Hey folks, Lens here, also known as Audible Agent, coming to you with some store and product news and updates. First things first, Jimy Tags, color identification tags. These are live. You can go buy these now. Got them in 10 packs for $3. Just head on over to the store. I'll leave a description down below so you can grab these. I think I have roughly 20 packs of 11 different colors available for purchase right now. If I run out of stock on anything, don't worry. These are all the extras that I can pull from to create more packets of 10. So yeah, if I run out of stock, just check back in 12 to 24 hours, something like that, maybe 48 hours, I'll have more. Let's see, next thing, okay, let's talk about the Epic Etch. So this was the Series 1 Epic Etch Defenders of the Delta lock. This was extremely popular, which I am very grateful about. Wanted to let you guys know that there will be more. There won't be more of this design. So there were only 50 that were sold. They were serialized numbers 1 through 50. There is a 51st, which is 0 out of 50. This is mine. I'm keeping it. This will never leave my hands without being destroyed first. That way I can ensure the integrity of the 50 that are out there that are collectibles, hopefully. But yeah, let's talk about Series 2. I have designs for it. The designs have been sent off to the manufacturer. I am waiting to get a quote on the work. I'm hoping to have those in the next couple weeks in my hands, which means they'll go up for sale shortly after. But yeah, given the popularity of these, it was a no-brainer to do a Series 2, and there will probably be Series 3, 4, 5. It's fun. It's a fun project for me, so I'll continue making them as long as people like them. I think that's it on the Epic Etch. The next thing is the 44 Delta branded pack lock. I ran out of stock of these, surprisingly, and I do have more on order. I'm hoping to get those next week. Yours, if you buy one of these, it won't look exactly like this. You might notice that mine has some teal blue in it. That was just me playing around with some paint and trying to see what I could do to fill in the relief or the cutout on the locks. I didn't end up doing that for the ones I sell. But anyway, if you're looking for one of these specifically, these will be back in stock soon, hopefully next week. Let's see, Black Friday is coming up. Am I going to do anything? Yes, I plan to do something. It's probably going to be some sort of store-wide discount from that Friday through Sunday, so that entire Black Friday weekend. I don't yet know what it's going to look like because, as you know, a lot of my products, except for my merch products, a lot of my core tools and stuff that I sell are already pretty cheap. But I will do something. I'll figure that out and let you guys know. The holidays are coming up. We've got Thanksgiving coming up and whatnot. Just wanted to relay that. I've got family coming into town, so product releases in general might be a little bit slower. I might be slower to respond. I might be slower to even get shipments out. And my wife has instructed me not to just disappear while family is here, which is something I have a tendency to do because I like coming down here and working on 44 Delta stuff and picking locks and doing whatever. But yeah, just be aware, family time's coming up. I'm sure it's the same for all of you. It's a good time to spend time with your family. So it's okay if if things slow down for a couple weeks, it's for a good reason. Let's see. Oh, one thing I wanted to mention too, I touched on the fact that if I sell out of the stock of the Jimy Tags, that new stock will show up quickly after. Just a general note, if you are looking through the stuff that I 3D print on the store and something is out of stock, I pay attention to that stuff. Like pretty much every night I look at what is low on stock or out of stock, and I'll queue up a bunch of jobs to print that stuff that evening. So if that happens and you really want a specific item, check back in 24 to 48 hours. There's a good chance it will reappear and be available. And I will be looking into some tools. There's some customizations I can do on my store so that people can get email notifications when something returns in stock. I'll be looking into setting that up soon, just in case anybody needs that. And then just wanted to talk quickly about long-term plans for additional products. I think the big focus for the next couple months is going to continue to be pick handles. I've targeted quite a few popular picks already, but there are more out there that people have asked about. So, multi-pick comes to mind. There's another flavor of LawLock tool pick profiles that I would like to personally make. I'm referring to those banana-shaped LawLock tool picks. I find those to be pretty uncomfortable for longer picking sessions, and so I really, really want to get some pick handles out for that. I might, maybe, don't hold me to this, I might target bare bones at some point. But yeah, that's probably going to be the main focus for the next couple months. But you never know. New ideas come to me in the middle of the night, and if I think that they're more important, I might jump on them before tackling something that, I had originally planned on. So, yeah, that's it. That's the update for today on 44 Delta. Again, I'll leave the link to these Jimy Tags down in the description. You can go grab some, and yeah, everybody have happy Thanksgiving if I don't talk to you before then. And also have a good weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.